Right, beach on a budget day today. That means get a can of corned beef, get a jar of mayonnaise, and a loaf of bread. Know what that's called? Lunch, Craig. Lunch. Wow. Hey, what's up? Up early with the chickens still clucking away, laying that egg. True story, we've only gotten like 3 or 4 each day the last few days, so keeping an eye on that. But the concrete pillars have been well done, I will say. Not the fortress I originally had planned, but fortress nonetheless. So we have new additions coming in on Monday. We have decided, just hear this out, see the vision. We are going to put the well, it's not a cabinet, it's a cabinet? No, what is it? Kitchen counter? Counter space, yes. We're going to put it 2 feet deep, but it's going to be 3 feet tall. I got the dimensions all going. And 5 feet across, so it's going to end directly there, right there, in the middle. Yeah, that kind of worked. Just bear with me. So it's going to go halfway to here, and as I venture onto the, look, I'm on the slab. I can see my house from here. It's also going to go halfway to where that pole is. So it's going to be a nice L-shape. Just picture the L-shaped kitchen. Sink is going to go here in the middle. Puppies are going to go there. Yeah, we're going to talk about that. You come up here, you better stay off the furniture. Really? Okay. Yeah, anyway, halfway from there to the wall, and then L-shape it from here to the middle. Sink and some space right here. And then this side is going to be the, if we get it, the countertop grill right there on this side, plenty of space. And if we don't get it, we could always put the freestanding grill right there. Right? Right. Definitely getting spoiled now. Having coffee with coffee cake. So many of you guys know from yesterday, we tried out the XL air fryer extra crispy Hamilton Beach. I should know this by now. And unlike cleaning up a bunch of oily pots, I didn't even get the tinfoil dirty. Look at that. Pretty impressed. Just one tray. And the pork came out fantastic. Almost like jerk pork. It was really well seasoned. We have to do some nuggets and fries in there today. Nice.
Morning, YouTubers. So today we got a list to go to the beach, and here are some things to do before we go to the beach. We got chores, chicken, wash underwear, dog, take up dog poops, make the bed, clean the bathroom, pop plate, wash the car. That is daily. So stay tuned.
What?
Me don't know if it Tyler.
Yes.
Look at this.
What is it?
The much paper.
Uh-huh.
Is this right?
No.
Thank you.
Junior, you should have two lines. One for the first one on the right and one for the second one on the left.
Okay, thank you for that.
All right. An example problem, if you'd like. That's the same process for every single one. I know. So, short version is the kids want to go to the beach today. I don't really want to go to the beach today, but I'm bribing them with academic enrichment activities. You're welcome. And those who have it done by 9 o'clock get to go. Yay. Everybody should have their own writing, gentlemen, too.
Can't call Raquel and say go on go beach? Raquel, come go. No, I don't want to go beach, you know.
Honey, you can do whatever you want because there ain't no hood like motherhood.
Exactly.
All right, sir. How'd it go?
Not too bad.
Not too bad. Super easy. You got your twos down. Let me see. Ooh, that's a lot of twos. Oh, cool. It is looking good. And then what's the best part?
I gotta do this.
Yay! What's the title?
A lovely mother.
Nice. You got this.
Yep. This was easy.
Mm-hmm.
And this is easier.
Oh, so I should get you harder work next time.
Huh?
So you ready for threes?
No.
Oh, okay. We'll get going so we can get out of here. Time's going.
The lovely mother. Oh, honey.
Once upon
upon a time, there was a little boy who did not want to go to sleep. I want to play.
Okay, sir. You can do it. Look, they're Andre size. That's Andre size, yes. You know where you gotta go eat that?
Outside?
Well, out. Do you want to do it on the back veranda? Or, because otherwise I don't want the dogs to...
What word?
The back... we don't have a back veranda. The back carport, yeah.
Yes.
No crumbs, dude. Uh-huh. Come on, muscles. All right, we'll see you on the other side.
Yeah.
How's it?
Good.
It's okay? How's the weather?
Good.
Okay. Yeah, I know. You don't have to say it. I choose my battles. It might be good coffee cake, but it's crummy. And Sonia did a pretty big deep clean yesterday, so I was like, yeah, it's probably the best option. He'll be fine. Hey, how's the other side? Yo, cool. Pack your stuff. We're going to the beach, just like your story says. Okay, so we're supposed to leave in like 15 minutes. We all know that's probably not going to happen, but if they don't get it done, they can bring it with and do it in the car. The rule is being modified. You can't touch the water until your assignment is done. Beat your bust, man. Beat your bust. Better make the beds.
Hi. And the queen says so. May you go with
That's
your.
great. Oh, I guess you don't want one. Oh, hi. No eating until you're out there. Andre? Make sure. No eating. No.
What?
All right, these are not like regular olives. They're in a different kind of brine. Not super salty, but still fantastic. It'll be all right. Oh, it's 9:01, by the way. Yeah. 9:01. The children aren't done. I'm just sit here and eat some olives.
Reach in the car.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay, you gotta go get them. Cool. Junior, that math's not done. What are you telling me that for? Bring it with. Yeah, you gotta get the dogs out. Junior, help get the dogs out of here. Please and thank yous. Oi, 9:24. We want some more.
Yay!
Yeah. Puppies out the door. We're good. All right, close up shop. So today we are going to do beach on a budget, right? Because we're gonna go to Bay Beach, which is very inexpensive. We're gonna try and get there early to get the free parking. Entrance, I believe, is $200 for adults, $100 for kids. And we're bringing our own food. We're gonna maybe buy some drinks if they're lucky. apparently Mario's ready to go. Soon we're gonna get out of here. Okay. Good, Craig. And since I'm not spending money on food today, maybe I'll spend it on an umbrella. Who knows? Maybe we'll get out of here. Dave forgot a towel.
Oh, me too.
Cool.
Can I open my door, please?
It's only 9:36, guys. 9:36. 36 minutes late. Oh, 9:37. We're gonna get out of here. All right, gentlemen and gentlemen.
No.
Boys' day out. Sonia's having some Sonia time. I don't know what she's doing with that chicken. I don't know if she's gonna put that in the air fryer or the convection oven or not. But I am not staying there all day. You have been warned. I'm not staying what?
All day.
All day. One person heard me. Let's try again. I'm not staying
All day.
Oh, I guess I have to turn around. No one else is listening. Maybe we should get everybody's attention. I'm not staying what?
All day.
Oh, okay. So when we get there, before we get out of the car, and you guys, while we're teleporting, need to decide what is the right amount of time for us to be there so that we can have fun, but also so that we can come home and also do something besides sit out in the sun at the beach all day. Not that that's not fun. So that is your job while we're teleporting. You guys are going to determine what time we are going to leave the beach, and we will stick to that time. Any questions?
No.
We snap before, we clap before. How are we going to get there this time?
Clap. Because me don't know if it's snap.
Oh, we're going to clap again?
Yes.
All right, on 3. 1, 2, 3. Yay! We got here early enough where there's parking. Actually, you know what? I'm going to go around. Yay, beach! All right. We're doing the beach thing on a budget. So, who's up ahead? We're gonna go and get drinks across the street before we get into the beach, and put them in the cooler, right?
Yeah.
What are you drinking? We got water, we got soda, we got drinks, we got a cooler. Time for the beach, right? We are ready to go. Junior's got a life jacket. Andre, I don't know why you got a life jacket if you're gonna use the floaties.
I didn't tell you for me.
Oh, okay. Well, if they tell you to jump off a bridge, are you gonna do it?
No.
Yeah, for those who want to wear them. He has the floaties in the bag that you're carrying. Well, if the I don't know, Andre, you're a little bit bigger. If the floaties don't keep you out of the water, we got the life jacket. We'll make it work. Oh, look at the boys. They think they're going in without us. That's fine. Don't judge the hat, dude. I am staying not burnt today. That's the goal, right? Not getting burnt today, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Adults are 400. Yeah, I thought they used to be. I know. All right, gentlemen, have fun.
Yep.
Bye. See ya later.
See ya.
I'll go with that
Okay.
right now.
Yeah. See me if you see any fish. Is it cold? Yeah, you guys have them. We gotta share them. That's all. I think there's still one left. Let me see the guns, dude. I think you're ready. I think they're ready. Cool. Any questions?
Yes. Your bucket, son.
That's a good question. Hold on. Hey, sir. Go get him. Bye. Bye. Okay, I promise. We're gonna get in a little bit, I promise. But $5 US. You get an umbrella, you get a lawn chair, you get right by the beach. Sure. Real action live shot. Right by the beach. So, beach on a budget. True budget breakdown. Here we go. Adults are now 400. Supposedly used to be 200, but adults are 400, and anybody over 11 is considered an adult. So we had to pay me, Dave, Craig, Mario, 4 technical adults and 2 kids for a grand total of $1,800. And then there's about $1,560 for these two. So overall, we're right around $20 US. Gets you beachside on the beach with an umbrella and a chair. And then we spend probably $5 on drinks. So $25 beach day, I'm not gonna complain. We got snacks, we got drinks. I got 2 big bottles of water and sunscreen that I haven't put on yet, but at the end of the day, I call this one a win. Andre, you good? I know, the boys are being boys.
You know what I want to float?
How are you gonna float?
Want it like that.
Okay, trading it out. Okay. Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye. Where'd the sun go? I lost the sun. Ooh, it goes down. It's one small step for man, one giant leap. He's not leaping. Hi. Hi. Oh, the sun came back. No, I don't need a splash, dude. I don't know. I'm trying
Everything
to.
locked?
Huh?
Everything locked, buddy?
Yeah. We're testing the waters, literally. Oy. Hi, I'm going down. I'm going down. Is everything locked? I hope so. On 3? 1, 2. Ooh, the sun.
My turn now.
Oy. We're just gonna float around. That is it. We're just gonna float. Ah, we're back. Lazy retirement.
Never back.
Ooh. I'm floating. I'm drifting. I'm going the other way. Bye.
Bye.
See ya.
I tell you now.
No, it's not. This is live. This is no time lapse. This is Tyler's in the ocean floating away.
What in a way?
Probably. We should do a time lapse there.
Okay, guys. So today, this is Andre Can, and I'm swimming. So I am going to show you some of my swimming. You can go underwater. So here is one, guys. I'm going to do another crazy one. I'm going to surf on here.
Okay, it is snack time. Nature Valley version. I think that's the first time they ever had a Nature Valley granola bar. That's really interesting. Check. Describe the taste. It's a 10 out of 10, but what does it taste like?
Oats.
It tastes like oats, okay. Anything else?
Peanuts.
There's no peanuts, dude.
Salt. Sugar.
There's plenty of sugar, yes. Junior, are you going for your drinks? Oh. You don't taste any honey?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, we're gonna do a little ironic reflection. You ready for this? So let's keep in mind it was $1,800 Jamaican for all of us to get in, plus the $10 US for an umbrella and a chair right by the beach, for a total of I should know this. What, about that 20 bucks? Yeah, a little over $20. Call it $25. 25 US dollars gets you an umbrella, a chair, beachside, brought our own life jackets. And if you look just off in the distance here, that is the Moon Palace that we stayed at, as pleasant as it was. And look, they even have umbrellas and chairs right next to the beach. I guarantee you that is not $25. That's my little insider reveal, man. If you can get to the same beach, 25 US dollars gets you and all the kids in, an umbrella and a chair right by the water. Or you could pay 2,500 US dollars and get free food and a hotel. But same beach. Pretty interesting. It's my reflection for the moment. You know the best thing about those life jackets, even though they're not actually like swimming in the deep, they're bright. Like, see if you can spot which one are ours. Try it out. Okay. Who said you're too big to play in the sand? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Boy. You're gone, man. All right. Alright, beach on a budget day today. That means you get a can of corned beef, you get a jar of mayonnaise, you get a Craig to mix it, and a loaf of bread. Know what that's called? Lunch, Craig. Lunch. Wow.
No, Mario. Mario is so nice. You know that this. So we put Andre in here, so I have a ball for come out back.
It's official. Poor boy sandwiches. Craig's putting the mayonnaise back.
Feel this?
Craig's not putting the mayonnaise back.
Feel this?
First one. Good luck, sir. You're welcome.
You want to say, oh. This is
Good luck, sir. Careful. 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 There.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy. Sandwich? Well, we don't do delivery service. Try when you're ready.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, gentlemen. 1, 2, yes, you get a one-piecer. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, special shout out to the Igloo. We got these waters like a couple hours ago. They're still cold. And we didn't even bring any ice. Still cold?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. You want to say thank you to the Igloo?
Thank you for giving us money so we can go to the
Andre, do you want to thank the Igloo for keep your juice cold?
Thank you, Ariel, for keeping my juice cold.
Close enough. All right. And that's Junior said. Hi, yeah, make sure that, did you have one already? Then you don't have another one.
Okay.
Okay, yes. And while it was cold, then Junior got in the cooler and left the lid open the whole time. Bye-bye. Wait. Bye-bye. 3, 2, 1, go. Better catch him.
Wait, help me.
Just trying to get him back in the cooler. All right. I'm gonna, yeah. Cool. Get set, go. Full start on Junior. Photo finish. So we know you reached that time of the day where your beach chair needs to go from one side of the umbrella to the other. Welcome to the afternoon switch. All right, sir. Sandwich was good? You got your energy? Ready for round 2? Okay, bye.
My energy is strong.
Go. Well, I'm glad his energy's strong because my energy is nap time. $10, chair, umbrella, right by the beach. We should come more often. We should come more often. I know. It's a whole hour and 10 minutes away, maybe less. But I'd say it worked out pretty well. Well, it's almost 2. I don't think they're gonna make it. I told them we don't get home for ice cream. Empty threats. Ice cream trucks passes our house before we get home. Can't decide if it's nap time or trying to convince them to head to the car. Anyway, I think I'm gonna lose. Saw some fish. Well, saw some fish that the guy caught. Saw some kids swimming. You guys, yes, I saw most all of them. I saw that big parrotfish, since I know what a parrotfish is. Oh, and now we're getting ready to go home. You saw all of them? Could you name? What was the one with the big eye? Right, but what was the name of the fish? You guys know?
I don't know. One named Panga fish.
Panga fish? You sure? Parrotfish? I think he said parrotfish. Okay, now we got the drama trying to get out of here. I say we just clap and then we don't have to worry about all this traffic and we get to go home. Ready? 1, 2, 3. No, someone didn't make it through the teleportation. You got any ideas? How do we get him? How do we get the 2 of them? Oh no, maybe this will help. Oi! The teleportation cracked. It was horrible. Mario gone still? Yeah? You sure? You didn't get through the teleportation either?
No.
Oh man, we made it! Hey, the teleportation tunnel's getting challenging, dude. We're home! All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is time to reveal the top 2 winners of the art contest summer 2025 edition.
Yay! Yay!
Close enough. Anyway, now some disclaimers. However, because YouTube has only allowed us to post 4 different pictures for their voting options, some of the pictures, as you guys can see here, like this lovely bunny, I don't know who did that, and this Picasso, were not eligible to be a part of the competition. So, out of the other 4, oh, and Sonia's playing. It's cute. Out of the other 4, meaning Junior, Craig, Andre, and Dave. I was in the sun all day. Yeah, it's not my fault. Our first place finisher with approximately 49% of the votes at the time of this recording goes to, drumroll please, Dave.
Second place.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I'm making curtain for him.
And our second place finisher.
Greg Cunningham. Greg.
Wow, and I hear the ice cream truck. Yeah, our second place finisher goes to the Dolphin of Craig. Craig, here you go. Hey, speech.
So
What are you gonna do with your money, Craig? You're gonna get a haircut. Yeah. Oh.
Where did it? Bye. Crazy.
He's gonna buy credit to talk to his girlfriend. Yay! And no make-believe girlfriends answered phones.
Yeah.
They don't even get my jokes. Never mind.
So thank you guys for voting for me, and I'm going to buy ice cream for everybody out of this house. Here the ice cream truck. I'm going to put $1,000 in my saving and buy ice cream for everyone.
So good day, everybody. Today we got some wonderful ice cream. And thank you for the ice cream. And I like it.
Thank you, Dave, for buying the ice cream for me.
Okay, chef, you ready?
Yeah.
We need to go turn the knob to air fry.
Okay.
That says roast. Hold on. Did you find air? Oh, you found it. Cool. Air fry. Now we need to change that 400 to like 420. So push the plus on the temperature. That's this one right here. Okay, 425. Keep going. Up to 425. Keep going.
Stop.
One more.
420.
425. Cool. Now hit start. Start.
Where's start?
The bottom button.
Oh.
Cool. Now you'll see the temperature is at 86 right now, and it's going up. So we're gonna wait for that to get to the top temperature. I'm gonna take this out before it gets hot. Or you take that out. Take that one out.
Me?
Yes. Okay.
That would be something button.
That's a heating coil. That's going to be extremely hot soon. So when this gets to 425, we're ready to go. Hours and hours of fun. Yeah, learned a valuable lesson yesterday's first attempt. Let this guy heat up first this time. And today we're going to try the fries and nuggets.
Cooking.
You're the chef?
Yeah.
You don't look like a chef.
Cooking.
Yeah, but you don't look like a chef. I think you're missing one thing. Where's your chef's hat? Well, fries and nuggets. Ah, okay. Now you're looking like a chef. You sure you're ready for this?
Yep.
Okay. It is set. Okay, you have the mitts. That's hot. Okay, take that out. Sound effects. Going in. Which shelf did you want it on? The second one or the third one?
Third. No, second.
Second one. Okay, that's hot. Put that in. Hit start. Push start one more time. That's it. All right. All right. All right. That's it. Air fry. Yay. Well, we're going to check it in 12 minutes. Sweet. Good job, chef. Okay. First round, Andre. Perfect. Careful, this tray is very hot. All right, there's only one thing left to do. Choose wisely. Okay, okay. Also very hot. Be careful. It's extremely hot. You might have to wait a minute or two. Or put it on the plate. Cool. Yeah, hot. I didn't season the fries. Fun question. Do you season the fries before you cook them? Or after?
So season them before you cook them.
Someone just says before.
Yeah, because I put them in the way and I think they should put salt or whatever on them.
I don't know. I think it'll taste the same either way if you put it on afterwards. What's the verdict? Does it taste like it's fried? Yeah? You passed? Someone?
Where's them get from you?
They're cooked? Crispy? Koina?
Yeah, okay.
You're not gonna try one?
Yeah, I'm trying already.
And? Oh, they said they're alright. Alright. I think it's gonna work. Best part about it, you wanna try? No oil. No extra oil to cook it. You wanna try? You're not gonna try the fry or the nuggets? Always going for the fry. Is it hot? Yeah, that probably. Crunchy? Crispity, crunchity? He's speechless. Can it work? Can it work? Close enough. Hey, chef. What do you think? How many out of 10?
How cake?
10 out of 10 with a full mouth. That's the best. Sweet.